This recipe is a must try. Let's see the recipe for Achari mixed veg. I'm going to start with making the gravy base for this. So let's start with heating 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in 1 onion finely chopped. Cook the onions till they are nice and brown. 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of ginger finely chopped. Once the onions are brown, add in 1 tomato finely chopped. While the onion-tomato mixture is cooling down, let's mix in a few ingredients in the blender. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, half a teaspoon of Coriander cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of Sauf or Fennel seed powder, 2 tablespoons of Mango Pickle. Add in the mangoes as well. Let's add in this mixture. Grind this into a smooth paste. The paste is ready and now we're going to start making the gravy. In the same pan, heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in 1 capsicum diced. Cook the capsicum pieces for a minute. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Roast the gram flour on low heat for a minute. Next, let's add in the onion and pickle paste. Cook the paste for a minute. Next, add in half a cup of curd. Make sure you stir vigorously so that the curd doesn't curdle. Water to bring it to a gravy consistency. Add in half a cup of steamed cauliflower, 1 carrot diced and steamed, 1 cup French beans steamed, half a cup of steamed green peas, 100 grams of paneer diced into small cubes. Add in easy salt, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi. Give this a good mix. Let the gravy cook for 2 minutes. Add in 2 pinches of sugar, coriander leaves and give this a final stir. And the Achari mixed veg is ready. Turn off the flame. As you could see how easy it is to make this vegetable, do enjoy this with any kind of rotis, parathas or naans and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.